all the people from there are all the at least one family can have 10, 15, and if they want, they can do it from their neighbors. The phones. And they can encourage their children as well. The phones are not so deep. Maybe 30 centimeters deep, 30 or less than 30 centimeters. It needs to be like that because the water has to evaporate. If it's deeper, it's going to be impossible. It takes longer. So there's 20 minutes like that, centimeters deep. So we are going to open canal. Water is going to enter. They are going to fill the ponds. They fill the ponds with salty water. When they close it, and then before they close it, they're going to wait for 2 days. After 2 days, crystals of salt are going to appear on the surface. Crystals of salt. This is the pink flower.
You see the pink salt with the Himalayan salt?
Yeah, it's famous, no? But I think it's famous just because the name Himalayas.
I know.
But this one is not. It's not Himalayas, but it's an important. What do you call this salt? This one is not.
So where's the salt coming from? From the montaña? Over there? And then become salt in 3 months? Whatever. Oh,
The water comes salty.
wow.
The water is already salty. Has marine origin.
So when the rain comes, it's going that one and then mix
Makes it.
and
That's
Oh.
why in the rainy season, less people work. Look at the hummingbird. There is a hummingbird.
yeah, right there.
Wow, so it's already
Wow, the
This
salt.
is salty. But how big that it was by chance how they realized that this water was different. The Incas also realized that this water was different because there were some shades of white color there, and they
Uh-huh.
tried, and it was good for health. And the Incas were working here. They're actually Incas. They're the Spanish. Has never stopped.
So who invented this one? The Incas?
Has never stopped. The Incas.
Oh, wow.
Then the Incas came.
See, the water goes there and distribute from the.
This is the salt water.
And this way of harvesting
Maras.
salt is the oldest way that it was found in this land.
Oh.
Made by the Incas.
They don't improve it. They just keep doing what
Well, they improved.
the basic
They
one.
improved. The Incas improved. The
Oh,
Incas were the best building terraces. The Incas used to have them more simple, but the Incas improved. They
Okay.
channeled much better the canals. They added more fountains.
oh wow. I know. So you said every 3 months? Ayan o, yung galing doon sa ano, pupunuin niya na yan.
This is
Yeah.
visible.
Yeah.
Those are the flower of salt. Those crystals
Oh.
on the surface. So
Oh,
people also harvest. They are just half. Look at them.
those they just harvest now.
They have harvest over there. Look at the 2 types of salt.
Oh,
One is more white, one is more brown. So you have the first quality and the third one. Yes, and they need to harvest that pond, I think. Huh?
yeah, those are.
There are some that need to be harvested. Every pond has an access. And look at the key, a stone.
Oh, okay.
Look at the key over there. Look at the key over here.
Yeah, they have.
Yes.
Man,
we
wow.
we were allowed no more than 8 years ago to walk there. But you know what people used to do? People used to put their finger.
Oh,
Like this. They used to spit on the fountain.
oh, that's not
Or
good.
sometimes some hair also were found there. Or some people there to put their feet to wash it with salt. So people here, the locals working, were not so happy, no? And they care for the health of the salt, no? Not to be contaminated. So now it's not allowed for humans to walk. There is
Man.
someone working there.
You see those? Imagine you're gonna bring the big bag of salt like that. You see already?
Yeah.
Oh, he's wearing boots.
Yeah, he's working there.
Wow.
He's working there. I think
Easy, huh?
it's not easy. So I think it takes them more time to harvest. So that's why they don't want to do that.
So they harvest Dr. cada año? How many times?
After 3 months.
Up to 3 months? And then what are you gonna do? Sell it?
Then after, yeah, they sell it. Yes, that's why you can see people there in their town. They buy, they sell.
Oh,
No?
a lot of people buying that?
Yeah, of course. It's in the markets of Cusco as well. In the market
So
of Cusco,
those are,
sold to eat.
so
Sold to
one
eat.
each, one family.
One family can have 10 phones.
Oh.
5 here and 5 over there.
Oh, okay.
So if there is a landslide here, they lose, but they save some.
Oh yeah, okay. Just I want to ask you if there's a rain and landslide,
could be
they can
dangerous.
destroy.
Also, it rains.
No money,
Just with rains.
just with
So there
rain.
are two sides, this one and the one that we went to, no?
No, this is, they can have 5 phones here and
Oh.
another 5 over
And then
there.
another one.
No,
So
remember the one that we went to, the windy one?
Uh-huh.
Is that a different side?
We were there.
right there, you see that white? You see the truck right there? You see the fence?
Yeah.
We were there taking a picture.
Oh, just
This
to
is the
take the
one.
picture. This is the real one now.
So the family will go down there and take all the salt.
Yes, you see a person working. He's
Yeah,
going
that
to,
one is gonna
he's going
get.
to harvest. He's preparing
Oh,
the ground.
wow.
He's preparing the ground. Yes.
And they're gonna bring the salt up here.
Up 50 kilos of the back.
Oh,
you can
man.
See the size. You can see the size there.
Oh, those are the.
50 kilos. The back. 50 kilos. 50. 50.
That's a lot then, huh?
A lot of work, yes. But
But it's money.
not a lot.
Not a
Not a
lot.
lot.
I think the entrance we pay is much more. The entrance we pay is much more. So we're going to be in their towns. If you want, you can buy salt from there as well. Huh? It's good salt.
Yeah, somebody selling there. What the salt?
Yeah, the salt. They have different colors, no? The
Oh,
salt.
yes. But there is a cooperative where they sell salt.
Oh,
They're cooperative.
Yeah,
Those are just the vendors.
cooperativa.
And this one is the salt water. Reservoir. Then this one.
Those is the good market now.
Two types of salt. One is more white, one is more red. And the Peru.
Cold.
This was not a town. Do you see houses? The streets? No.
No.
This was not a town. This was a center to adapt plants. The Climaca. The Spanish are right. The Spanish people knew about this. Halgambinga. And they don't pay the precious.
Oh, here is Moray.
Cold downwards. So if you, this is windy and cold, no?
Uh-huh.
And dry, but if you go lower, you can jungle.
Oh,
Weather change, right? because the shape of the terrace is round. So this stops the wind force.
But they like plant
They planted crops.
crops, huh?
Crops that used to grow on the sea.
But a long time ago, now no more?
No,
Not anymore, huh?
so this function like a laboratory, basically looking to make coca to grow here. You know that if you chew coca, you are not hungry, you are not thirsty, and you have energy. It's coca. And coca was the only one food for dogs. But where grows coca? In the lower areas, in the jungle, not here. One of the worst enemies of the Incas were the jungle tribes. The Incas suffered a lot conquering the jungle where is Machu Picchu. So the Incas wanted to have coca here. So they made a plant grow there at the bottom. When the plant was not strong, was made to grow in the second level, then the third, then the fourth, like this.
Why are not they doing?
No,
No, we lose the techniques, we lose knowledge. We lose the patience the Incas used to have.
But the way they design, huh?
Yeah,
It's a hard thing
for
to
sure
do.
had a sacred beauty as well because the shape is round like the sun. Yes, it's not the only one. There are 4 of them. There's a smaller one behind we don't see. Another one there we are going to see for our feet, and another one.
What is that square thing there?
The reservoir.
Oh, reservoir.
Look at the walls coming down. There is a line. That's a canal. Between the stairs, you see like a
Oh
line.
yeah, there's a line right there.
And also there is a lake. There is a lake. The lake is when it's
And then
dry season,
water go
water.
down.
When it's rainy season, few water. Now used to come like this. So thanks to this, we have 3,000 types of potatoes. Thanks to this, we have more than 60 types of corn, chocolate.
Wow.
Coca, no? Kiwicha, what is kiwicha? Kiwicha is also rooted, so thanks to this. Another. How important the Incas were working here for us. Today we can eat food. And it's considered to be superfood.
Yep.
The Incas are main source of economy.
I mean, what's
Let's go
up?
harvest.
Wow, that's really amazing. Man, the Incas are, I mean, they're intelligent, huh?
The way how they design it.
Where did they get those, that kind of thinking, you know?
So for a while, remove your glasses and look at the
Yeah.
There's a lot of echo here, huh? Echo as well. And also, scholars were studying the dirt, and they discovered that the dirt, the soil, comes from different places, even the coast of the coast, close to the Pacific Ocean. So to accentuate this change of temperature, they even moved dirt.
Wow.
Soil was changed to simulate different temperatures. Also, the stone walls are going to catch the heat of the sunlight. So at night, if a frosty night comes,
Cold.
do you see houses? The streets? No. This was not a town. This was a center to adopt plants. Spanish arrived. Spanish people knew about this. It's a lot of echo. Not so many people used to come here. In the last few years they are coming. But in the past, no. Once the guards of this place decided to invite travel agencies to offer this to sell it. So they invite a group of rock and roll, and they were there. This became like an amphitheater.
Oh yeah?
People were drinking, jumping. It was a disaster. I can imagine because they were torches because they're giving thanks to Mother Earth and the sun. I think everybody is superstitious and also religious.
Exacto, yo siempre no sé echar la piedra de agua.
That everybody falls
¿Qué quieres? Te lo metes con todo, no vas. Casi se echa.
and if you go deep at the bottom, you find ashes of dead people.
O sea, cualquiera prueba.
Offerings, corn, potato, photos, money. People used to put offerings there.
¿Y lo apagaste?
Eso sí, no sé por qué funciona solo cuando pasa.
This is called acclimatizing plants.
This is the another
Adapting them
set
to new
of
ecological levels, to higher
the way they
temperatures,
farm.
to lower temperatures. They could acclimatize plants
The
from sea
terraces.
levels to higher levels or vice versa. But especially this was for coca. Coca. It was especially for coca. Coca was the
Coca.
great worry because coca was the only one food for gods. Before talking to Mother Earth, before talking to the sun, they used coca. And also coca gives you energy to work building Sacsayhuaman and Cusco. You need coca. So the Incas wanted to have coca, otherwise there was no work, buildings. No way to feed people with it. Coca also was like anesthesia. In case of pain on the teeth, no? Headaches, they use coca.
Does it the coca leaves as we drink?
Yeah, it's what you drink with coca. We have coca tea in bags.
Coca
also
leaf.
leaves.
So coca is really
Yeah, that was
medicinal plant too, no?
That was the main worry of the Incas.
The Incas.
And Pachacuti, when he arrived to the power, he wanted to have coca of easier access. He didn't want to say, please, can I have coca? No, Pachacuti wanted to have coca.
Oh, thank you, he's there. I thought you gotta go back there, huh? Oh my God, I said, wait, you gotta go back now. Okay.
That's upstairs.
Oh,
Everything is organized, sir. And that's why Pachacuti, he decided to marry his sisters, his family with other chicos and like that. Because the access was younger. So people were working friends with my teacher as well.
To continue, no? The legacy.
Continue